Hello guys, good morning. Now we're going to school. Our son, his first day of school. Today is Tuesday. Here in Warsaw, Poland. Palabas na kami ng pang building na apartment. Here, Nathan, this way. Yan lang guys. Dito guys, actually yung mga apartment na malalaki, mga building is laging malapit sa school. Hanggang ito. Paglabas namin ng building na to, school niya na. Yan guys. Say, good morning.
Good morning.
In Polish.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry daw guys. Good morning yan guys. Tapos yung good afternoon nila guys is dzień dobry din. Yan guys yung school nila. Oh. Yan. Tapos ang labas ng school nila guys is itong playground na malaki. Anytime guys pwedeng maglaro yung mga bata dyan. Isip bata yan pwede rin. Ayan. Ba guys ang laki ng playground. Tapos tapat lang ng school. Ganito nila i-treat yung mga children dito guys. Magka free. Magka grade 1 pang grade 4. Parang more on sila guys. PE. More on play. Ayan guys, pagpasok ng school, meron agad silang football or volleyball. Ayan. Ayan guys, papasok na kami. Ito na school na guys. Ito kami. Ayan guys. Here now. Here inside the school. Ayan mga estudyante. Guys, maglalaro agad sila ng soccer. Ayan. Mahilig yung mga estudyante dito guys sa soccer. Ayan guys.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry. Ayan guys. Pangalaman. Let's first Nate. Ayan. Tubi. Saan mo lalagay yung gamit mo? Ito. Here. Oh, your jacket. May pugat na. Bags. Wait, Nate. No? Alis muna kita, ha? Sa school niya? Oh, come. Let's go upstairs. Room 4, yeah. Second floor? Top. Yeah. Always remember, Ayan na guys, malapit na kami sa school niya, sa room niya. Room number 4. Ayan guys. Here. Ito guys, may school niya ng aking anak. Ayan na. Okay. Good morning. Here. Where's your classmate? Go na.
Hindi yan yung teacher ko.
Yeah. Nathan. Yung school niya. Nakabahan pa siya guys. Okay na, bye-bye na. Nate. Bye-bye. Where's your classmate? Is there your classmate?